Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you 3 free websites which can get money online without you using any credit card. All you need to get is just your PayPal account or you can be paid through checks. What's going on? My name is Ibrahim Umar, also known as Urtabi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm definitely gonna do nothing, so do right now. So guys, I've got 3 sites which I'm gonna recommend to you. These sites, they pay money, they are legit. All you need to do is just get time, create time for this. You don't have to get any background skill, and you don't have to invest, you don't have to get a manufacturer. So guys, these sites are kind of related. They are print-on-demand sites. So I'm going to start from the first one on my list, Zazzle. Zazzle is a site which sells bags and shoes and t-shirts. So guys, this Zazzle makes its money by selling products to customers, and it also gives opportunities to people like me and you. We can join into Zazzle and sell our product without us even investing any money. All we need to do is just create designs and post it and sell. I'm going to tell you how it works. You're gonna get a t-shirt on Zazzle, or as well you can get a plain t-shirt from other sites. Just download and put on the graphic design or put on text design, quotes, funny quotes. Yeah, you can put on funny quotes, and these funny quotes, they're gonna sell so fast as well. I promise you, they're gonna sell so fast as well. So guys, after you're done with this, then you can import back into Zazzle and post it. Then when a customer sees this design, he's gonna purchase this design. He's gonna purchase this t-shirt if he likes it. So yeah, when he purchases this t-shirt, Zazzle takes out its fees and pays your commission. So your commission is being paid to you as a form of profit. It's being paid to you into your PayPal account, or you can be given through checks. So guys, you see, all you need to do is just create your designs on t-shirt, plain t-shirt, and put it into Zazzle. And mind you, you don't get money by posting just 1 shirt, 2 shirts, 3 shirts. You have to post a lot of shirts, because when you post a lot of shirts, customers might see some of this shit and they will like it and they purchase. And you see, when they purchase, you get money right away. And yeah, as well, Zazzle also offers affiliate program, and these affiliate programs enables you to get double income. So you see, this double income, how you get this double income is this. I'm going to tell you how affiliate programming works. You see, affiliate program is just you copying the links after you've already signed and after you've already signed up for the program. You're gonna copy the links and put them into social medias. And when a customer sees and when someone clicks and buys an item through that link, you're gonna get your commission. So yeah, you can see you're getting double income. Yeah, so guys, we're going to the second one, Cafe Press. You see, Cafe Press as well is just like Zazzle. It also sells bags, shoes, and t-shirt. It also enables sellers like me and you to join. We don't have to get any background skills. We don't have to get a manufacturer. You don't have to get any income. You don't have to put any capital. All you need to do is just create your designs, post them, and when the customer sees the design and buys it, you're gonna get your profit. And it's being paid to you into your credit card, and it's being paid to you into your PayPal or given to you as checks. So yeah, this as well works same as Zazzle. All you need to do is just print your designs. You can use sites like Canva to create your tests and edit your tests, or you can go to social medias like Instagram, get funny pictures and put them on t-shirts, and as well post them. You're gonna get your money when you do this. And yeah, it also offers affiliate programming as well. You see, you're gonna get double income. Guys, we're going into the third one. If you haven't subscribed and you enjoyed watching my video, please do right now. So guys, I'm gonna go into the third one, which is Met Amazon. See, Met Amazon, unlike Zazzle and Cafe Press, you have to request for invitation before you get started. And if you are not being accepted, don't feel down, don't quit. Just go into the other 2 sites and continue earning your money. So yeah, Met Amazon as well. You don't have to get background skills. You don't have to invest. You don't have to pay any money. You've got nothing to lose. All you need to do is just create time and go into sites like placeit.com. And yeah, when you go into placeit.com, you can see models as well. So you pick these models and put designs on the t-shirts, or put designs on any of the t-shirts, either quotes or pictures. And yeah, when you post this, Amazon is gonna handle the rest, so you don't have to stress yourself. So all you need to do is just post more than 1, 2, 3 shirts. So when this is being sold, Amazon is gonna take out its fees and pay your commission into your PayPal account, or you'll be given checks. So guys, these are the 3 sites I recommend you to use if you want to get money online. No capital investment, no background skills needed. You don't have to get any manufacturer or manufacturing company. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching.